Hello, my auric lights. So, guess what I got in the mail? It's a Michael's package. It finally came. Yay! You know what's in here, don't you? Yarn. It was all on sale. As I open it, I forget even what colors I got. It was like over a week ago. And at first I thought they charged me twice because I filled my cart and then everything disappeared. My whole cart. And then Mr. Oracle got a text on his phone because when someone uses the card, he gets a text. Getting a text that, we were charged. And I was like, I didn't do it twice. So then I filled my card up and I pushed place order this time because I didn't push it the first time. And he got another text. So I'm like, what the heck? I didn't do that. So it says Michael's charged us twice. And I contacted customer care and they said, oh no, it's just a confirmation. And I said, no, it's the card that texted us. Someone from the card customer service even said that it was charged. And they're like, okay, well, wait a couple days and see if it goes back on there. And I was like, yeah, we'll see about that, buddy. Oh my goodness. You see that, guys? Okay. It's a bunch of Karen cupcakes. And, you have to get 3 packs online. This one's called Sweet Berries. Let me open it. Sorry for the bags, guys. Last time I messed with bags on camera, it was very loud. Sweet Berries, lightweight 3, but it's not too bad of a 3. I'm sure you guys know what Karen cupcakes are. I've never had them though. It's not too bad. 3 ounces, 85 grams, 244 yards, 223 meters. Pom-poms, so cute. My daughter's going to be so excited about this one. It's like pinks, purples, and a tad of like maybe a coral right here. I don't know why they did that on the bottom. Oh, maybe it's for the pom-pom. Okay. That was the Sweet Berries. And that was, 3 of them were, $7-11 at $2.37 each. And they're usually more than that. I believe they were really on sale. And then I got this is like a blue, another shade of coral, grayish. And it is called Fruit Punch with a blue pom-pom. I know some of them look a little muddy, but what are you gonna do, right? A couple bucks, not bad. This one I thought was red, white, and blue for the 4th of July, but it has a little bit of orange in there. I guess I could take that out if need be. It's called Cherry on Top. And I think it gives a pattern for a hat. Needs one ball on all of them. It's the same thing. I think I already said they come in threes because that's all they let you order online. I got 3 of each of these. This one is called Strawberry Pie. Oh my goodness, I loved this one online. It's pink, coral, white, and gray with a pinkish, coralish kind of pom-pom. This camera is not doing it justice. That's not how it looks in person. Looks more orangey on camera, but it's not. And then I got, oh my god, I love these. I just got some regular Karen cakes. I wanted to get the Karen cotton cakes, but these were on sale, so. 7.1 ounces, 200 grams, 383 yards, or 350 meters. And the color is Rainbow Sherbet. Guys, tell me that isn't beautiful. It's like a sage green, sky blue, like a turquoise blue, orange, hot pink, and then it goes green and blue again. Is that not gorgeous? Oh, I love it. Oh, that smells like, I don't know, kind of minty. It's so soft though, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Squishy. Oh, I love yarn. Don't you guys? What did they do to my poor yarn? Look. It's hanging out the bag. The other ones aren't like that. This is just regular Red Heart Cafe Latte. Because I just thought this color brown was so beautiful. And I wanted it to do some of the Beanie Boos that I got for, I wanted to make a couple of those lovies. So, Super Saver. And you all know about Super Saver. It's number 4, says 5.5 millimeter hook. Cafe latte. These are all acrylic, obviously, guys. And then it gives one skein pattern for a cowl. And 7 ounces, 364 yards. And there's 3 of those as well. And that was it. So altogether, I got like 18 balls of yarn. And like I said, the 3 of these were $7.11 altogether. the Karen cakes were $3.97 or $11.91 for all three of these. And they are 7.1 ounce cakes. So I think that was pretty good. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my little Michael's haul. And oh my goodness, also I ordered from Dollar Tree. And after I ordered, I was watching some YouTube videos. I think it was Charmed Grammy, and she said that days later after she ordered from Dollar Tree the yarn, that they emailed her and said it was no longer in stock. So her whole order was canceled. So I was like, well, oh well, I already put in my order. Hopefully everything will be okay. So I put it in last Wednesday, I think. And it is now Thursday, the next week, Thursday. They emailed me last night telling me that like half of my order was not going to be shipped because they were out of stock. Now, why would you keep it on the website if it wasn't in stock? I'm just baffled. I'm baffled. But whatever. At least I got my yarn that I wanted so badly from Michael's, and hopefully I'll still get my one couple skeins of unforgettable yarn from the dollar store. And I got some other things. I'll unbox that on camera for you guys too. So I hope you enjoyed this little Michael's haul. And if you guys know of any other good sales happening, please leave them in the comments. So check it out. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And remember, be blessed, be brave, and be beautiful. And I will see you next time.